in there. Okay guys, I'm trying to add a light fixture in this room because I don't have any. All I had is a switch here that control those outlets over there, and that's all I have for light in the corner there. So I cut the ceiling, cut the wall here, went up in the ceiling, cut a hole over there. First what I did, I cut a hole here, and I cut another, was gonna cut another hole here, but I used this nail to see if there's any stud in there. There was one right here. So I had to cut here. Make sure you use this here. You don't want to damage up your ceiling. So I cut a hole there and fished the wire straight across over there. The way what I use to get the wire over there, I used pipe, a very skinny pipe, and push it from here to all the way over there at the end of it. So I strap it on at the end of it and push it through the ceiling here, and it reaches over there. Now, as you can see, my wire is here. What you do, you gotta try. There's a little, as you can see there, my box is all the way in. I can either use it here, go in, but that's not the right way of doing it. I'll take my bird beak pliers and push it in from the back there and bring it through in here. So hopefully I can get this done, but I didn't get my ceiling damaged up too much. I've been here a few years without lights. Make sure you spread a sheet, because you will get a lot of debris coming down. All I used was this guy here to cut the sheetrock. It's got some pretty sharp teeth, and my box cutter knife. Do not use your roto zip, because this whole room would be in a mess if I did. I'll show you the other part of it. I'm gonna go and connect this wire here, because this one here is hot, and that one, these two is hot here. These two control the switch over there. I guess back in the days they just used it to plug in something so you can get power over there. So I'll just make all the switch hot and get my light in. I'll connect the hot and cold, the black and white, to this one and that one over there, and I should be good to go, and install my light fixture in the top there. I'll show you guys when I'm done. I gotta tape it and mud it. I'll get that done pretty soon. I got 2 more rooms to go. Okay guys, now I got my electrical finish. I connect this switch here. You can use any kind of switch, but I disconnect and I just connect these are connected to the outlets, which is over there. As you can see, it light up. The top and bottom is lighting. Usually it's just one of them was lighting. You gotta turn the switch on before you can get a top, and both of them is working now. And that light is working too, as you can see. This is all I had for light before. Now I got my light switch there, my lighting there. I'll put on a new light fixture, and as you can see, it's working. The light is still on. Light is still on. I just gotta mud and tape this up. I show you guys when I'm done doing that.